If there is a way to help the environment, wouldn't you want to help? Did you know how detrimental a carbon footprint can be to our environment? Why not help the environment by reducing that carbon footprint? But how can you help? Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of solarinstallguru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how you can help the environment by using a solar power system. Fossil fuels must be burned to produce electricity. Did you know that burning them creates a lot of unwanted byproducts, which not only pollute the air by releasing huge amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, but also pollutes the water? Not only that, but the process by which fossil fuels are located, excavated, and transported is invasive and detrimental to the land. We don't want that for our environment. So what's the alternative? The alternative is harnessing solar power as energy. The environmental benefits of solar energy outweighs the use of fossil fuel, which is polluting the planet. According to rgsenergy.com, solar panels produce power through a natural process called photovoltaic. By doing so, the solar panels produce power without any waste or emissions into the environment. Do you want to know the numerous benefits your home solar system will bring to the environment? Here, let me give you a few examples. There is not just one benefit to the environment from a home solar system. Did you know a solar system reduces air pollution? You are not burning any fossil fuels to harness power from the sun. So there is no effect to the climate, unlike fossil fuels that cause the greenhouse effect. Using solar energy also means there is no effect to the landscape. You are not mining or stripping the land to produce energy from the sun like you would with fossil fuels. According to the New York Times, solar electricity contributes to 96% to 98% less greenhouse gases than electricity generated from 100% fossil fuels. The list goes on and on for how much a solar system in your home helps the environment. The detrimental impact of a large carbon footprint to our environment can be eased by the installation of a solar system on your home. By doing so, you are investing in clean energy for your generation and the next. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit solarinstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.